This recording will go over how to create a shipment for an individual user to collect their asset using the DMD Shipping Platform. For our client information, we are using a swivel chair feature, which we are integrated within their ERP system and pulling the request from there. I will go ahead and click on the workflow for this client. I will then click on Next Service Order. Click on this one, Serialized Asset Order. I do have the information on another screen. So for this client and this user, we're going to be picking up a laptop. We're going to be using a retention kit. I have the serial number of the asset, and I do have the disposition of the asset, which for this asset, it will be a resale asset. I will click Add. This adds the asset into the portion of the ticket, and which now I've got to enter in the user information. User information is again pulled from our client's system. Currently, we do not send any emails out, so we will be entering their email as this. Same thing with their phone number. We will be entering the phone number as that. Next piece of information, we're going to be pulling their address in order to ship the box. With our shipping platform, it is smart integrated address search. I type in a few of the keywords and it does bring up multiple different possible addresses. I will click on the one that it is. It does fill out the rest of the information. For this client in particular, we do fill out one additional field, which would be the client's case number. This is for an additional layer of tracking, so we are able to tie in this request to the client's reference field. All the information is collected and imported. I'll hit Create. It has been created successfully. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and click on the service orders, and we'll see the service order right here for this user. Here's the address, the reference number. I click View. Here's all the information that was sent. And if I click on the Tracking tab, it'll be the first one right here, Package Request Received. Here are the tracking numbers for the outbound and the return, the reference field that we added in for this client, the user's information, as well as a little detail over here. We want to click on this, and it will show where in the outbound and return this package is. So currently right now we are at the requested stage. Package is being assembled. It'll be requested in transit and will be delivered to the user. Once the user has it and they are ready to return, I'll go ahead and work with the return with FedEx. And then we will be notified right here of the return process. I did want to point out an example of what it does look like when a package is in transit. I have pulled up another shipment we have done prior. And here you do see that package was assembled and the request is in transit. Here's one where the package has been delivered to the user. This concludes the video on how to request a box to an individual user for asset collection.